Light, level light on, VIRB, and transition to class Delta airspace approved, your altimeter 3026.
3026, squawk VFR for you, on my Romeo.
트랜지션 하려고 하는데 핸들로 타워 빡쳐.
잠깐만 살짝 켤게요. 주파수 안 보이시니까.
옆을 요거.
그래요?
요거 있잖아요 우리.
아하하. 오케이.
빨간 불로 봐야죠 파일럿은.
Cessna Juliet runway 25 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 25 left, 3 Juliet Alpha.
그러네.
Cessna 6 for Delta, turn left, Charlie, and enter taxi straight ahead of the ramp.
Charlie 9 straight to the ramp, Cessna 246 for Delta.
왜 이렇게 왔는데?
Cessna 983 Juliet Alpha left, turn southwest, approved, runway 25 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 left and southwest, departure approved, 3 Juliet Alpha.
So 3 Juliet Alpha, are you southwest or northwest?
Southwest departure, 3 Juliet Alpha.
So 3 Juliet Alpha, roger, traffic on your left about 4 miles south of the airport is a Diamond Star 3800 northwest bound.
Northwest. Tower Skyhawk 993 Juliet Alpha, request frequency change.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, traffic snow factor, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 3 Juliet Alpha, thank you. 글렌데이 타워가 121.0죠?
네.
네. Cessna AD 하겠습니다.
1/2 mile southeast of the airport. Hazardous weather information for Arizona is available on Howard and flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. You have Victor.
Sure.
Glendale Tower information, Victor, time 0047 Zulu, wind calm. Temperature 12, dew point -8, altimeter 3027. Visual approach, runway 1 in use. Notice the airman, ramp 4 access is closed. Runway 19 reels are out of service. Pilot control lighting is out of service. Use caution for a large crane 1/2 mile southeast of the airport. Hazardous weather information for Arizona is available on Howard and flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact. You have Victor.
Okay, we have Victor.
Victor.
Glendale Tower, Airport 1 at Alpha 9 are holding short of the runway for the runway inspection.
Airport 1, proceed on the runway, report went off.
On to the runway, southbound, I will report one off. Airport 1.
Good evening, Glendale Tower, Skyhawk 983 Juliet Alpha, 9 miles northeast from airport, 2,800, request south transition to Goodyear.
Okay, yeah, Cessna calling Glendale Tower for transition. You're breaking up a little bit. Transition is approved at above 2,600, Glendale altimeter 3027.
South Sound transition approved above 2600, 3 Juliet Alpha. 글렌데일 타워 다음에가 굿이어죠?
네.
네.
ATS는 바꿔놨고요.
네. 타워 프리퀀시 셋 부탁드릴게요.
네.
일단 저기 ATS 한번 드릴게요. 먼저 프리퀀시 맞나요?
네.
118.35.
네. 118.35.
네.
Good airport information, Quebec 0047 Zulu weather. Wind 20004, temperature 12, dew point minus 08, altimeter 3026. Visual approach runway 21 in use. Has this weather information for Arizona available on high-watt flight service frequencies. Nose to airman, use caution for a 220-foot crane flagged and lighted 2.57 nautical miles southeast the approach on runway 21. Advised on initial contact, you have information, Quebec.
퀘벡이죠.
퀘벡.
네, 타워 프리퀀시 셋 되어 있나요 혹시?
네.
네, 오케이. 손발이 척척 맞네요.
Cessna 83 Juliet Alpha, frequency change approved. Good day.
Frequency change approved, 9083 Juliet Alpha. Happy Christmas.
And the same to you.
Good evening, Goodyear Tower, Skyhawk 9083 Juliet Alpha 2800, just a departure from Glendale Airport to request the south transition with Quebec.
Cessna 93 Juliet Alpha, Goodyear Tower, transition Goodyear Class Delta airspace approved, Goodyear altimeter is 3027.
3027 and clear Bravo, correction, Delta airspace, 3 Juliet Alpha. Thank you.
저 오른쪽 저 뭐예요? 저 올라오고 있는 거 노란색?
저거요?
네.
저 제 생각에는 비행운인데 노을에 그렇게 보이는 것 같아요. 저희 비행기가 한 대 있을 것 같아요.
올라가고 있어요.
엄청 빠르네?
네. 뭐지? 멋진데?
Approach Skyhawk 9083 Juliet about 10 miles southeast from Goodyear Airport, 2800. Request a flight following to Deer Valley Airport.
For 983 Juliet Alpha, Phoenix approach, squawk 0317, Phoenix altimeter is 3027.
0317. Skyhawk 0317, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Number 3 Juliet Alpha, your radar contact, 12 miles southwest of Sky Harbor Airport, and clear through Bravo airspace, fly heading 09 when able.
Clear to Bravo airspace, heading 090, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Number 3 Juliet Alpha, climb and maintain 5,000.
Climb maintain 5,000, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, fly the east transition.
East transition, 3 Juliet Alpha.
And flight 1051, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles northeastbound, 5,000 VFR Skyhawk.
Heading...
we got the traffic inside in flight 1051.
Thank you, 3 Juliet Alpha, traffic's 1 o'clock and mile and a half turning southbound, 5,000 VFR Beach airliner.
Traffic inside, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Thank you.
Traffic.
Cessna 983 Juliet Alpha, contact approach 120.7.
Contact 120.7, 3 Juliet Alpha. Merry Christmas.
You too.
Phoenix approach Skyhawk 9083 Juliet Alpha, 5,000.
Cessna 983 Juliet Alpha, Phoenix approach, rudder.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southbound. The sky lane is 4,500.
Looking for traffic 3 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 908 Mike, traffic 12 o'clock and 4 miles northbound to Cessna 5000.
908 Mike has traffic.
908 Mike, roger.
Phoenix approach, Skyhawk 983 Juliet Alpha, traffic in sight.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, thank you. Descend at your discretion, Deer Valley.
Descending my description 93 Juliet Alpha.
Skyline 908 Mike, contact approach now 123.7, we'll see you.
123.7, we'll see you.
바로 옆으로 지나갔네. 바로 옆으로 지나간 거 보셨어요?
미단기였나?
어?
미단기야?
아니 미단기는 아니고 우리 같은 비행기인데 바로 밑으로
되게
지나간
저렇게
거.
빨라?
마주보고 이거 우리가 지금 되게 느린 것 같지만 시속 거의 한 250 정도 돼 거의.
아까 그 비행기랑 비슷해?
그렇지. 이거 마주보고 250으로 마주보니까 엄청 빠르겠지?
와, 봤어요. 메트기 같이 그냥 팍 지나갔어.
Cessna 3 Juliet Alpha, you've left Phoenix Bravo airspace. Keep the code, County Deer Valley 118.4. See ya.
Keep my code and contact Beverly Tower 3 Juliet Alpha. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
더블리 들어보셨어요? 들었는데 아직 안 바뀌어서 일부러 기다리고 있어요. 조금 있으면 바뀔 거라서. 2분? 잽싸게 들어갈까요 그냥? 네.
Advise on this contact. Do you have information? India.
India. Yeah, request first 할게요.
Beverly Tower, Skyhawk 983 Juliet Alpha, 10 miles southeast from airport, 3,200. Request full stop with India.
Cessna 983 Juliet Alpha, Beverly Tower, near left base, runway 25 left.
Left base, runway 25 left, 3 Juliet Alpha.
Okay, flaps full. 5 left to rail in sight. 여기가 좀 부담스럽죠? 엄청 가까운데 지금? 저 도로 내리는 게 너무 오랜만이라서 지금. 오케이. 제가 보면은 뭐 파워프 180 하나 이러겠다. 부담스러워, 부담스러워. Line check.
Is not available.
Good evening, Tower. King Air 770 Victor Foxtrot information. Julie, I'd like to pick up the IFR back to Window Rock.
Here, calling Deer Valley Tower, contact clearance on 123.9er.
All right, I'll do that. 123.9, thanks.